Okay, so guys, we are at the Edamama baby care launch right now. I've just posted the film. You've just seen a little bit about the brand story and the brand film for the Ed baby care range. But because I'm here, I'm in the middle of interviews. I'm going to take you on through the products. Okay, so these are our products. These are all the products, and this is not just the only products. This is just the beginning, so this is what we're starting off with. So we purposely went for like soothing bright colors and this sort of shape for the packaging. The main thing is every product has a different color. So this is the Head to Do baby wash, it's blue color. This is the talc free cooling soothing powder, it's purple. Because my understanding is, as a mom, you're always in a hurry. As a parent, you're doing like 4 things at one time, so you don't need to read the label. You just know, okay, the talc free is the purple bottle, so I pick it up. Okay, the lotion is the yellow bottle, so I pick it up. And it just becomes easy for you to identify, and super quick and very effective. That's just one of the reasons we went for the different colors, also because it looks really cute. And I'm going to now take you through a bit of the feeling of the product. This is our Butterbean baby lotion. It's a nourishing baby lotion with shea butter, almond oil, vitamin E, derma tested, pediatrician approved, toxin free, chemical free, harsh chemical free. It's got this really lovely, see, I already put a little bit, it's already sort of melted into my skin. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna be stealing all these baby products for myself. This is our laundry detergent, by the way. It's called the Clean Bean Laundry Liquid. All the instructions easy to understand at the back on how you need to use it. I love this packaging. This is our talc-free powder. A little bit about why it's talc-free, etc. You can go through later on the packaging. But why I love this is because of the fact that it's got a cooling chamomile, and we went for a talc-free powder and an anti-rash balm. But the talc-free powder is for that hot and humid climate where you feel like you need something cooling, but it also needs to be soothing and nourishing. So it's got all those factors in it. Again, this is the how to use. It's our Soothe and Smooth talc-free powder. The Nappy Happy anti-rash balm. So this is what I call preventive care, something that you'd use on your baby to prevent any rash. Okay, and this is our Oopsie wet wipes, our water wipes that are also infused with aloe vera, so it's super soothing, water-based formula. It's unscented and alcohol free. And one of the things that I'm kind of particular about in opening wipe packets is that it's easy to open, so shaka, and easy to take out, so shaka, and easy to wipe. Shaka. I don't know why I was saying shaka for everything. Okay, so these are all our products, guys. Massage oil, nappy rash balm, Butterbean baby lotion, talc-free cooling soothing smooth powder, the Head to Do baby wash. Oh, I've not been through that. The idea is that you come out of the experience feeling cool as a cucumber, and it's infused with cucumber as well. Gentle chamomile and cucumber. And our laundry detergent, which I already spoke about, and the water wipes.